Hello, in this video I am going to be discussing starter GPOs. I am going to be creating a starter GPO. I won't really be making any changes to it, but I just want to kind of show you what it is and what it is used for. So a starter GPO is pretty much a template. Once you create a template, you can link it to new GPOs. So let me give you an example. If you open up Group Policy Management, you will see in this list you will see Starter GPO. So the first thing you want to do is we want to create a new template. So right click it, hit new, and let's give it a new name. So I will call it Starter GPO 1. Okay. Hit OK. Okay. Now you can see you have a new Starter GPO or template. You have the settings. You can edit just like you normally would a group policy. And now, what is this used for? Well, let me give you an example. So let's go and create a new group policy. So I right click on group policy objects. I'm just going to create a new one and let's give it a name. I'm going to call it finance. Okay, I'm going to call it finance 1. See in the bottom here, source starter GPO. Now I can select the starter GPO 1 that I just previously created. So what is that going to do? Once I hit OK, whatever settings I applied to the starter GPO, it will assign these permissions to or group policy objects to the new GPO that I just created. So I don't have to manually go into the finance GPO and assign the permissions. This is good if you have a lot of repeated GPOs that you create and you don't want to manually go through each one and assigning the same permissions. You can create templates. Templates are great. There are things that that don't change very often. Something could be a good example could be a lockout policy, right? And you can actually back up the GPO, back up and then restore it to maybe a new domain controller, to a new domain altogether, a new environment. That way, you know, if the new environment is going to use the same lockout policy, the same password complexity, the same warning message, you know, login warning message, things of that nature that don't often change, you can create templates for them. That way, you create one template and you can push it to different GPOs, and that's pretty much what a starter GPO is, a starter template is. So that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you for watching.